What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn a response from the Claude into someone explaining it to a 5-year-old kid. So for that, just stick with the video and I will let you know that how to do it. So this is the Claude interface, a very basic one, a desktop application, and over here I have given a prompt. This was a generic conversation that I was having to convert the raw ideas into a pitch. Now this page looks like it is made for the investors, but now I'm going to turn this page into something which will be dedicated towards a 5-year-old kid explaining the whole idea about the program. So by giving this prompt, it will be able to convert the whole the idea, the documentation, the summary, the pitch, um, into something that will be explained into very easy words like someone is telling a toddler about it. So here you guys can see that here's a draft pilot explained like you're 5. The hook, you know how sometimes you make a deal with your friend like I will give you my cookie if you let me play with your toy. What if your friend wrote down tricky rules who did not understand and later said, oh, the cookie is mine forever now. This is what happens to grown-up who signs paper they do not understand. So this is the actual agenda behind it. I hope you find this really helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.